Hey guys, it's Jason with Kentucky Sustainable Living. Today I want to show you and introduce you to the KSL IFAK. This is an IFAK that we came up with in-house at Kentucky Sustainable Living. This is going to be your individual first aid kit. It's going to handle all your major injuries. It's going to cover the March algorithm and keep you alive until help can get there. Guys, we're going to go over all this. First, I wanted to show you, we've got it in, of course, red. We've got it in coyote tan. We've got it in Ranger green also. We've got it in the old standby multicam. And, of course, we've got it in black also. And the nice thing about it is, we don't have some little crappy, stupid, jinxy patch. We've got Jeremy from Hot Brass Clothing Company down in Alabama. Jeremy makes all our patches. They're leather patches that are laser done down in Alabama. Jeremy is an amazing guy. And we're like, we want something nice, so let's do some leather patches. So guys, let's crack into this joker and I'll show you everything that it's got. All right, KSL IFAK. What we've got on this, we've got the leather patch on the outside. We've got shears on the outside also. They'll stay right where you need them. We've got a CAT Gen 7 tourniquet, or you can get this with a soft tourniquet also. We've got it on the outside. It's going to come wrapped into plastic. I advise you to take the plastic off and stage your tourniquet. We've got videos that are coming out on how to stage a tourniquet. So you've got that in there. This is MOLLE compatible. This is a rip-away IFAK, so you can MOLLE it onto whatever you want and then pull it off to get to what you want to. I want to switch camera views and we're going to open this joker up. As we're going to crack into the KSL IFAK, what we've got is our patch on the front, and like I showed you a minute ago, side place for your shears. You got the bottom pouch for your CAT tourniquet or your soft tourniquet. This has got MOLLE on the back, and it is a rip-away IFAK. So we're going to unzip. All right, on the inside, first thing we're going to see, we've got a Sharpie marker, a real Sharpie marker, full-size Sharpie marker. We've got a set of nitrile gloves here. Then we've got a 4-inch trauma dressing that you can use. Then coming over here, we've got two sets of compressed gauze for wound packing. We've got a twin set of hyphen compact chest seals in here. And then on the small pouch right here, the zipper pouch, we've got an emergency Mylar blanket. We've got our nasopharyngeal airway NPA with lubricant on it. And that is the KSL IFAK. It is got and built to treat emergency wounds, covering the March algorithm. So this has got everything that will cover the March algorithm in it. Guys, if you need it, run over to the website, KentuckySustainableLiving.com.